I want to show you how to solve using substitution method. We have two linear equations here, and we are supposed to find for the value of x and y using substitution method. Previously we did elimination. Today let us look at substitution method. It is very simple. To solve using the substitution method, let us make this one as our equation A. This is our equation B. So using equation A, that is x plus y is equals to 10. Let us make one of the letters the subject. For instance, like we can make y the subject. We can say y is equals to 10. If we take x to the other side, it becomes minus x. Okay, this will become our equation C. Alright, so after we have done that, we take equation 2, substitute this one in equation 2. Write equation 2 here, x minus y is equals to 8. Now you can see y is here, and this is the value of y. Instead of writing y here, let us write 10 minus x. Minus, instead of writing y, let us write in brackets 10 minus x is equals to 8. Can you see that? What we have done, we have substituted. Instead of writing y, we have written 10 minus x. 10 minus x is equals to y. So instead of writing y here, we write 10 minus x. That is what we call substituting. We have substituted. Hence the term substitution method. So we can open the bracket. We did this bracket because this is a minus here. So if we open the bracket, we have x minus 10. This is a minus and this is a minus, it will give us plus. We wrote here minus 10. Then this is a minus and a minus. So we write plus x is equals to 8. From there we bring the like terms together. X and x will give us x plus x is equals to, this will go to the other side, 8. This minus 10, it will become here plus 10. Plus 10. So we have x plus x will be 2x is equals to 18. Can you see that? Now what about x? X will be equal to 9. That's how we have solved for x. Now we have y. Look at this here, y, but y is equals to 10 minus x. So x here is 9. X is equals to 9. So we come and substitute 9 for x. So we write y is equals to 10 minus 9. Y is equals to 1. By doing so, you have solved these equations simultaneously using the substitution method. We have example 2. We are supposed to solve the simultaneous equations using the substitution method. So we have our simultaneous equations as 2x plus y is equals to 15, x plus y is equals to 10. So let us make this one our equation A, this one our equation B. Let us use equation A, or we can use equation B, there's no problem. Using equation B, x plus y is equals to 10. I'm using equation B because it is easier to arrange it, because there's no many numbers like this one. Let us make n of these letters the subject of the formula. Like the first one we did y, let us make for this one, let us use x. It will be x is equals to 10 minus y. So this one will become our equation C. Now we substitute this one in equation A. because we used equation B. Now let us use equation A. 2x plus y is equals to 15. Now in the place of x, let us substitute this. You see this, the x is equals to 10 minus y. So instead of writing x here, let us write 10 minus y. So we come and say 2 brackets, write 10 minus y. Plus y. So as you can see, instead of x, we have written 10 minus y. That is what we call substitution. So 2 into 10 minus y plus y is equals to 15. So we can open the bracket. We have 2 times 10, that is 20, minus 2 times y, that is 2y, plus y is equal to 15. Now as you can see, we have removed y from the x from there. We have removed the x from the equation. Now we have this. We can arrange in like terms. We can bring the like terms. 20 minus 2y plus y is equals to 15. What can we do? We can bring the 15 here so that we can have 20 minus 15. Yeah, here it is positive. When it comes here, it becomes negative. Is equal to, this is negative 2y, it becomes 2y. This is plus, this is negative 2y, it becomes positive, and this is plus y, it becomes minus y. So we have 20 minus 15, it is 5, is equals to 2y minus y, it becomes y. So the value of y is equal to 5. Now let us go and find the value of x. So here we have x is equals to 10 minus y. Already we have found the value of y as 5. So let us substitute y with 5. So we have x is equals to 10 minus, instead of writing y, let us write 5. So x is equals to 5. That's how we do substitution. That's how we solve the equations by using the substitution method. I want to give you assignment now. Now that is our assignment. Solve the simultaneous equations using the substitution method. We have 1 and 2. Once you are done with it, kindly send your answers to the comment section. And if you find this channel informative, please subscribe and follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you so much.